In this video, I want to show you how to customize your home screen, your app screen of your iPhone 16e, the exact way you want. So let's get started right away. So the first step, go on your home screen and simply keep press anywhere where there's no app. So like over here, there's no app, keep press, and then select Edit on the top left corner. Select Customize. From here, you're going to have a few options down below, and I will explain to you what everything does. So over here, we have a small sun-like icon. If you click on it, it will darken the background. As you see, it adds a bit more contrast, so maybe it's easier for you to see the apps. You have small and large. If you click on large, the name of the apps will disappear and it will make every app icon slightly bigger. If you don't care about the name, this will give you a much cleaner look. Then over here we have light, and this is a bit self-explanatory. You have dark, it will darken every app icon the best it could. Sometimes on third-party apps, it doesn't look that great, but on everything that is made by Apple, I think it looks really nice. Then you have automatic, which means that if it detects that it's daytime, all the apps will be light, bright, the way it is right now, and at nighttime, it will darken them automatically without you having to touch anything. And finally, you have tinted, which this is something that you can customize yourself. So all the apps will have a tint, and you can set up the exact color by moving these sliders over here. You can also customize this tint by clicking the small pipette over here, and by using your wallpaper that is in the background, you can set up and get a specific color. So let's say I want this yellow. Well, I'll put this over here and all the apps will have this kind of a yellow. Once you're done, simply click anywhere on the home screen. And this is about it. It will stay the way you have set this up. If in the future you don't like this look, you just want to go back, simply do the same thing, keep press, edit, customize, and press the light button over here and everything will look the way it was before. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if my video was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.